Today I'm going to show you how to make super 8mm film look. Go to videos and open new video project. Change the background color to black and go to elements. Scroll down to frames, choose the square, resize it. Go to border style and increase the corner rounding. Make the maximum and drag your video to the frame. Go to elements and type overlay film. Go to videos and scroll down. Let's choose this one. Resize it to fill the screen. Go to transparency and lower the transparency to 25, and here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.